Hello, it's Magic Phil. Thank you so much for getting your kids' cooking kit. Today we're going to be making something sweet. Sweet. That's right, we're going to be baking Perdu, which is a very famous French dessert and one of my favourites at Couqley. Now, I've got a little dessert magic trick that I'd like to show you. I baked a cake. Would you like to see it? Ta-da! Oh dear. It's gone! Let's try again. What's the magic word? That's right. Have a banana! Have a banana. It's not have a banana. Have a abracadabra. Okay, let's try this. Abracadabra! Ta-da! No, let's try one more time. A one, a two, a 1, 2, 3. Un, deux, trois. Un, deux, trois. Un, deux, trois. Un, deux, trois. Yes! We got a cake! It's a sponge cake. Okay, I'm gonna put this down here. Fantastic. Now we best go over to the kitchen because I'm gonna show you how to bake Perdu. Come on, come join me, come. Hello and welcome back to Magic Phil's Kitchen. Have you got your Couqley Kids cooking kit? Today we're going to be making Perdu, which is a super sweet dish. So, you get your ingredients here. This is your main one. And then you should have some caramel sauce. And you should have a little tub of butter. Now this is super easy, but please do make sure that you've got a grown-up helping you. So, you need one of these. Ding, 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 ding. It's not a guitar. It's a frying pan. So we put the frying pan on here like this, and then we turn on the gas. Yes. Again, make sure you've got a grown-up with you. So then, you add the butter into the frying pan. I'm going to take a spoon, add the butter like this into the frying pan. Put one spoonful in there, like that. Ta-da! Then let the butter melt. Whilst we're waiting for the butter to melt, I'll teach you another little trick. Here we go. This is the flying tea towel. Woo! Hey! Woo! All you need is a tea towel and a spatula. And then that's what makes it fly, like this. We're going to need the spatula anyway, so keep a hold of that. Now you can hear the sound of the butter melting. Oh, look at that. Yes. Nice melted butter there in the pan. Then this is when you add one of your toasts. There it is. So then you take one out, put it inside the frying pan, like that. Now leave it in there for about 2 minutes on that side. Then you're going to flip it over, not the pan. You're going to flip the toast over, and then make it nice and crispy on both sides. Then we do the sauce. So here it is. I'm going to show you now. I'm going to take you over to the pan so you can see. There it is. Sizzling nicely there in the pan for about 2 minutes. Then we're going to flip it over when it's nice, golden and crispy. I'm going to stand you back up here now. Whee! Now, whilst you're waiting for that, you can prepare the sauce. So we're going to take a little jug here like this. You then scoop out the caramel sauce and put it inside the jug like this. Then we're going to put that inside the microwave for about 30 seconds. We're then going to flip over our toast. Oh yes, that looks very nice. So it's nice, it's golden brown and crispy, like this. Can't wait to show you, but most importantly, I can't wait to eat it. So then we've got the caramel sauce just let that side just fry for a little bit, a couple of minutes. Then we're going to get a plate. That's the sauce. The sauce is ready. There it is. Caramel sauce. Well, this looks pretty ready now. It's nice, it's golden crispy on both sides. It's nice and soft. I'm going to take that out. I'm going to put that on my plate like that. Then we're going to add the caramel sauce. Ooh, yum, yum, yum. Now come join me at the table. Don't forget your magic-filled placemats. Get in my belly! It's now time for the taste test. I've got my magic-filled placemat. Don't forget, if you colour yours in, there is a chance for you to win a very special prize. So colour them in, take a picture and tag us in your photos. Now are you ready? This is nice. It smells good. Caramel sauce smells lovely. It's nice and crispy on the outside. It's soft on the inside. The caramel sauce is just choc-tastic. Don't forget, send us your photographs of your dishes, of you eating your dishes as well, and enjoying your Couqley cooking kit. Thank you very much for getting your kids' cooking kit, and I'll see you at Couqley. Stay silly! Well, I am absolutely full. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Do you know what? I could eat another one of them. That was so yummy. Thank you so much for getting your kids' cooking kit. Now, if you would like any other of the dishes available at Couqley, they are available on Deliveroo, so do check out the Couqley website and see what other cooking kits that we have available for all you boys and girls, mums and dads, cats and dogs, flies and frogs. Now, before I go, I'm going to teach you a little magic trick. This is a really fun magic trick that you can do with your family and friends. So, I've got here a picture, and this is a picture of an oven. This is my Couqley oven. You can draw your very own oven like this. I've got a pan, a whisk, a fork, and a snail. I don't know why I've drawn a snail. That's why I've drawn a snail. Why do French like snails? Because they don't like fast food. So, I've got a little problem with my oven. Every time I try to cook, it doesn't switch on. So, I've checked the front of the oven. I've checked the back of the oven. Nothing. I've even turned my oven on its side and rolled it over like this. And I can't... Oh, I think I found the problem. Inside the back of the oven, there is a smelly sock. Would you like to learn the secret? I'm about to show you, look. The secret is a toilet roll tube. And why did the toilet roll down the hill? To get to the bottom. So look, you take a toilet roll tube like this, cut it in half. Baby shark, baby shark. Cut it in half like this. Nip the two edges, and that there is where your thumb fits inside like this. And this is where you hide your smelly sock. Ooh. There we go, like this. Then I'm going to show you from this side, you hide the sock behind the paper like this. So when you show the picture, you go, there's my oven. Then you show that side, but remember, you hide that, you don't show anyone here. And if you really do get practice, you can actually swap fingers like this, like that. Then you just need to turn it on its side like this, roll it over, and you reach inside and pull out the smelly sock. that there is the magic sock in the oven. Thank you once again for joining in and learning magic with me and ordering your kids' cooking kit. I hope that you had lots of yummy fun, and I'll see you next time. Stay silly. Bye.